In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DocuSign template. By the end, you'll have a reusable template that saves time and keeps your documents consistent every time you send them out. First, log into your DocuSign account. Make sure your account has permission to create templates. If you're on a team or business plan, your admin may need to enable this. From the dashboard, go to the Templates tab in the top menu, then choose New Template or Create Template to start from scratch. Next, upload the document you want to turn into a template. You can use PDFs, Word or Excel files, and even image formats. This file becomes the base you'll reuse for future envelopes. So pick a clean, finalized version to avoid frequent edits later. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and add a short description if your team will be using it. Clear labels reduce missense and confusion when you have lots of templates. Now define recipient roles instead of assigning real people. Roles like Senior, Approver, and CC make your template reusable across different deals or departments. Use consistent role names across your templates so everyone on your team knows exactly where to assign people when sending. Click Next to open the tagging screen. This is where you drag and drop fields onto the document. Place signature, date signed, initials, and any text boxes or checkboxes exactly where they belong. Assign each field to a recipient role rather than a specific person. This ensures the right fields follow the right role every time. Quick note: since this is a web-based workflow, you'll find the official DocuSign website link at the top of the description. Use that link to access your account safely. Before saving, review optional template settings. Decide whether you want completion notifications, set an expiration date for the envelope, and add any optional attachments. If your process requires a specific order, set the signing order so recipients are notified in sequence. When everything looks good, click Save. Your template is now stored under the Templates tab and ready for future use. To use it, start a new envelope and choose Use Template. Select the template, assign real recipients to the predefined roles, and send. All fields, roles, and settings are already configured, so you'll move quickly and minimize errors. A few final tips. Keep templates as simple and reusable as possible. Name them clearly. Always preview before sending to confirm field placement. And share templates with your team if you're on a business plan. Thanks for watching.